Today I am going to start an online classes due to COVID-19. So I am going to start the number. What is the number? Means number is a mathematical object used to count, measure and label. We have been performing different operations on numbers, and we have been doing multiplication, division, addition and subtraction by the numbers. We use sometimes positive integers, sometimes negative integers, sometimes rational number, sometimes fractions, sometimes decimal numbers. So here, what is the types of numbers? There are two types of numbers. First part name is real number and second part name is imaginary number. Okay? And there are two parts of real number. First part is rational number and second part name is irrational number. So rational number after one part integer, after whole number, after natural number. And mainly there are 6 types of parts of natural numbers. First is prime number, second is composite number, and third is even number, and fourth is odd number, and fifth is perfect number, and sixth is twin prime numbers. Okay? So first of all we will look one by one. What is the natural number? What is the natural number? Means all counting numbers are called natural number. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on infinite. This is called natural number, and it is denoted by n. Natural numbers denoted by n, means n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on infinite. Now second thing is whole number. Natural numbers along with 0. Only difference whole number means natural number along with 0 are called whole number. Means example, it is denoted by W. W is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on infinite. Clear? So third is integer. What is integer? Integer means the set of positive numbers. The set of positive numbers, 0 and negative numbers, means set is -5 and so on, -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. So this is called the integer. Here is two parts of integer. First part is positive integer, means -1. Positive integer means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and negative integers -1, -2, -3, -4. This one is negative integers. After that, we will discuss about what is the rational number. Next thing is rational number. Rational number means rational number can be written in the form of rational number can be written in the form of rational number can be written rational number can be written in the form of P by Q where Q is not equal to 0, where Q is not equal to 0. And second definition we can say कि all real numbers are called rational number except irrational number. Okay, means first definition we can say कि rational number can be written in the form of P by Q where Q is not equal to 0. And second we can say also like this कि all real numbers are called rational number except irrational number. So rational number is also two parts. We can divide rational numbers two parts. So first part is the terminating decimal fraction. Suppose that example 1 by 2 is equal to 0.5. 1 by 4 is equal to 0.25. And 5 by 4 is equal to 1.25. And 3 by 2 is equal to 1.5. 3 by 2 is equal to 1.5. So means square root is perfect square and under root 9 is equal to 3, under root 16 is equal to 4, means square root is equal to perfect square. So this is called the rational number. And here 1 by 2 is equal to 0.5, 1 by 4 is equal to 0.25, 5 by 4 is equal to 1.25, means here is remainder. Remainder is equal to 0. Remainder is equal to 0. That's why we can say this is called terminating decimal. Means terminating. This is equal to terminating decimal fraction. Clear? Terminating decimal fraction. And second is non-terminating repeating decimal fraction. This is terminating decimal fraction. Root 3 is equal to 3, root 9 is equal to 3, root 16 is equal to 4, root 25 is equal to 5, root 36 is equal to 6, means 6 divided by 1. This is equal to P by Q. Here not equal to 0. That's why rational number. And suppose that this example 1 by 2 is equal to 0.5, 1 by 4 is equal to 0.25, 5 by 4 is equal to 1.25, 3 by 2 is equal to 1.5. Many examples you can take. So we can say this is the terminating decimal fraction. And second things non-terminating repeating decimal fraction. Non-terminating repeating decimal means, for example, 1 by 3. Example 1 by 3 is equal to 0.3333333 and so on. We can write here 0.3 bar. So non-terminating but repeating. 3 is repeating. Okay, non-terminating but repeating decimal. And 2 by 3, second example, 2 by 3 is equal to 0.66666 and so on. So this is non-terminating repeating decimal fraction. Means we can say there are two parts of rational number. First is terminating decimal fraction and second is non-terminating but repeating decimal fractions. Clear? Irrational number. So irrational number
we can write like this, and so on, -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. 5/4, 3/2, 1/2, and so on. This is called the rational numbers. Means we can say that all integer, means every integer is rational number. Every integer is rational number. Now second thing is, what is the irrational number? What is irrational number? So what is irrational number? What is irrational number? Same definition. An irrational number cannot be written in the form of. An irrational number cannot be written in the form of p by q. Not written in the form of p by q, where q is not equal to 0. Or other we can say like this: all real numbers are called irrational number except rational number. Irrational number, it cannot be written in the form of p by q. So suppose that under root 2, what is the value of root 2? What is the value of root 2 is equal to 1.414, 213562, 213562, and so on. And root 3 is equal to 1.732050, 1.732050, and so on. And root 5, 2 point something, root 6, root 7, root 8, root 9, no. Root 9 is not equal to irrational number. Root 9 is equal to rational number. Okay? Because square root is not perfect square. Square root is not perfect square. This is the irrational number. But square root is perfect square. Perfect square. This is called the rational number. And pi is, what is the pi value? Pi is equal to 3.14. Pi is equal to 3.1475, and so on. Means here non-terminating, non-repeating, this is called that the irrational number. This is called that the irrational number. Exponential e, the value of psi, so this is called that the irrational number. Clear? Clear or not? Means we can say कि without any division, if number की वैल्यू यदि फ्रैक्शन में आए, तो we can say कि non-terminating, non-repeating decimal. Clear? Means root 2, root 3, root 5, root 6, root 7, root 8, means this is non-terminating, non-repeating. Okay? Any number is not repeating 2 or more than times. So we can say this is the irrational number. Okay? So next, real number. What is the real numbers? Very simple definition. All numbers are called real numbers. All numbers are called real numbers except imaginary number. Clear or not? The numbers, all numbers are called real or except imaginary number. This is called that the real number. And so now imaginary number is there is no syllabus of class 9. We have your syllabus. So we can say imaginary number means real number plus imaginary number is equal to complex number. So next video I will discuss this, and how many parts of the natural numbers.
तो मेनली वी कैन से कि देयर आर 6 parts of the natural numbers. Prime number, what is the prime number? What is the prime number? What is the prime number? Means the number which is divisible by 1 or itself. 1 or itself, this is called that the prime numbers, or other way, those numbers which have only 2 factors. Those numbers which have only 2 factors are called the prime numbers. Are called the prime numbers. For example, means prime. Already you know what is the prime number. Prime number means the number which is divisible by 1 or itself is called the prime number, or those numbers which have only 2 factors are called prime numbers. For example, 2, the factor is 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 7, 1 and 7. So this is called that the prime number. 5 also, 1 and 5, 9, no, 11, 13, 17. This is called the prime number. And second thing is composite number. Composite number. What is the composite number? You know, the numbers which have more than 2 factors. The numbers which have more than 2 factors are called the composite number. The composite number, for example, 9, 1, 3 and 9. So this is called that the composite number. Okay? Means 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. This is called that the composite number. And third is even number. What is even number? What is even number? Even number means the number which is divisible by 2. Simple definition, the number which is divisible by 2, this is called the even number. This is called the even number. For example, 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. Even number. And second thing, odd numbers. Odd numbers means the number which is not divisible by 2. This is called that the odd numbers, means 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and so on. This is the odd number. Now next thing is perfect number. Very important. Perfect number. What is the perfect number? Perfect number means perfect number is a positive integer. Perfect number is positive integer that is equal to the sum of its divisor. Once again, perfect number is a positive integer that is equal to sum of its divisor excluding number of itself. Excluding number of itself. For example, 6. 6 factor 1, 2, 3 and 6. According to definition, perfect number is positive integer. Perfect number is positive integer.